Want smooth inner thighs at home without any stress? You'll be surprised how simple and safe it can be. Follow this step-by-step guide for beginner-friendly results. Salon appointments are not needed, just a few simple tools. This method is designed to be safe, clean, and effective. By the end, your skin will feel smooth and irritation-free. Start with clean, dry skin and remove all lotions or oils. Hair should be about a 1/4 inch long for best results. Exfoliate gently a day before to prevent ingrown hairs. Lightly dust the area with powder to help the wax grip better. You'll need hard wax or wax strips and a wax warmer. Wooden applicator sticks and soothing aloe or oil are needed for aftercare. Keep all tools within reach before you start for smooth workflow. Start with a small patch test to check for sensitivity. Apply wax to a tiny area and wait a few minutes. Use a wax warmer for even temperature and avoid hot spots. Apply wax in the direction of hair. Growth, smooth and even. Wait a few seconds until the wax firms up slightly. Tacky but flexible, hold your skin tight and remove quickly against hair growth. Immediately press your hand on the area to reduce the sting. Remove any leftover wax gently with oil. Never pull dry. Apply aloe vera or soothing gel to calm redness and irritation. Do not wax the same spot more than twice. Use tweezers for missed hairs. Always test wax temperature and do a patch test first. Rushing or reapplying can cause irritation. Take your time. Avoid tight clothing and intense workouts for 24 hours. Keep the area clean and hydrated. Wait at least 48 hours before exfoliating again. Share your tips. If you have tried waxing at home, like this video if it helped you and subscribe for more self-care hacks. Your skin will thank you. See you in the next video.